Dad.
We're live. Hello! Hello! We're live again. Let me put my glasses on so I can see you. Oh, and you are looking nice today.
Thanks.
What about them? So, we've got another make it. So we're gonna make hand sanitizer today because we're running out, and we went to the shops, and we went to the shops like this, Kerry.
People thought we had it.
People were frightened of us, but we don't care. Anyway, get that off now. That was for comedy value. So we decided that we were going to make hand sanitizer. My hands are so cracked and horrible right now, so we thought we would have a go at making our own, and we were going to put some extra ingredients
Secret one.
in them. Now, we're just doing this because, again, we are at work, but we love our work because we feel like it's nice and clean and safe, and me and Kerry aren't social distancing, but we've been together all day anyway. So we've gone and bought the ingredients, and we're just going to attempt it. We haven't made it before.
First time.
Right, so what you need and what you can get, sorry, am I doing all the talking?
Yeah, I'm just an assistant today.
Is isopropyl, turn it round, she's a book, what's it? Alcohol, but ours is 70%, really you want 99%. We just checked on Amazon, and you can still get it, so if you're worried, I bought this before it all started to kick off, and we've been making our own, and I've still got quite a lot left in there. So if you're worried about hand sanitizer, then yeah, go on Amazon because it's still on there. I think this is 500 mils. Why am I shouting?
Are you deaf?
Just in case all around the world can hear me. This is 500 mils.
It's on eBay as well.
It's on eBay as well. I forget about eBay.
We like it, guys.
I like Amazon. I want it there the next day, but that doesn't really happen right now. So anyway, that's what you need. You can get that. Kerry doesn't speak. And then you need aloe vera gel. Just got that from Holland & Barrett. I don't know if it's on Amazon, but aloe vera gel. Excuse the state of my nails. I might leave them dirty. I haven't got dirty nails. It's pigment.
You should wear a face mask. I'm
a mechanic normally. And then we've got soothing. In my ear. Soothing pure essential oil to stop your hands from going like that. So, Kerry's going to make it.
Oh, pressure. Okay, right.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, sorry, I haven't put the scientist gloves on. Hold on.
We're scientists.
Grab a dinosaurs.
And I feel better with gloves on. You can't see my horrible hands.
Dirty nose.
Do hurry up.
Okay, sorry.
No, I'm only joking.
So,
3/4 of that.
We got 2 glasses, same size. And we need to put... We need to put 3/4 of a glass of alcohol.
That's a lot.
Will it make it?
Oh my goodness, that's enough. Is it? That's 3/4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a drip. Vicky's stressing out that all her alcohol's... Vicky, we can use this.
This better work.
And then, this is going to take a while. 1/4.
No, shouldn't it?
Wouldn't it? I've got to do 1/4 of a glass, haven't I?
No, you've got to get it from there into
I've
there.
got there.
Oh. I am rubbish at cooking, so that's why I'm doing this.
Oh,
excuse me!
Sorry about that.
It just slipped out.
Okay. So, then we mix it together and put 10 drops of... Okay, sorry, right. So we pour that into a bowl.
Sorry.
Sorry, I've done this before. Okay. 1.
How are you going to get that
I
out?
don't know. Give me
Mind
oh,
your
right.
eyes. It's working.
That was clever.
That's what I thought.
Oh yeah, I use a fork.
Hold on. Hold on, bit of that.
No,
but if you put water in there, it's going to make it...
If it gets stuck in the bottom of the glass, Do you want to give it a whisk? Oh, stabbed you.
Just go to the shops and buy it. Oh, you can't.
Marie. Or Zoe.
Speech.
Okay.
I think that's all of it out.
And
So
then,
that was quarter of a glass of
hello.
aloe vera gel
And,
to soothe your hands.
and 10 drops of lavender oil to smell nice. Six,
It's
seven,
really
eight, nine,
watery.
10. I know.
Is that going to work?
Okay.
Should we put some more of that?
No, no.
You're
that's not
supposed
the
to have-
recipe.
This is why I don't cook, so I'm like, that don't look right, just put more in. Okay, you're supposed to have a whisk. This
We
is
don't
our
have a whisk at work.
It's Kerry's sardine fork.
It's clean.
And I'm like, have you cleaned that being that I'm a vegan? So just,
Just checking you're doing it right.
that's not right.
Yeah, it is. It's just running.
That's really runny. Should you put more aloe vera in it?
I
Smells
suppose it
nice.
won't hurt, will it? Okay, we're making our own recipe.
It's
We're just
not.
going to add all of this.
Honestly, it's
There's
just
not
really
one left.
runny. How's that supposed to work then?
Oh, I suppose it just... Maybe it's meant to be a spray. Maybe it's meant to be a spray, not a pump.
It's detergent. Got
Well, it's all in. It's all in.
it got a clean bowl anyway. I think you put too much alcohol.
Oh, I did 3/4.
Okay,
That's it. Stick your hands in.
I'm going to try it. It's not even mixing.
Let's put it into our...
I'm whisking.
We put it into our soap bowl.
This is something you don't see me do very often in my world.
How are we going to pour that into that?
The paper.
I might have actually spat, you know, social distancing.
Quick, put that face mask back on. Okay. So, okay, this is really entertaining.
How long are you doing that for?
I'm whisking. With the sardine fork. Okay, I think that's
Right,
right.
let me get
I just don't. I think you put too much alcohol stuff in.
I did 3/4 like it said.
I've noticed that whenever I'm on
Nearly knocked the camera off.
whenever I'm on live, I always get a runny nose.
Beautiful. So we're making a cone, yeah?
Make a cone.
Oh, you know how to make a cone.
What I just thought was use 2 to make a cone. And if we pour it quick enough.
I'm taking the science. Okay, unhygienic. Taking the science gloves off. Oh god, here we go. Ready for a...
Hold on. My hole's too big. Don't say it, we're live. Anybody who knows me know I like a certain saying at this point. You gonna do it?
Ready?
So I got ready
Is
to
the paper just going to flop? Okay, do
Go,
it.
no,
do
do
it
it
quick.
Oh, Kerry, you're missing it.
Go. Is it
It's
going in?
in.
Yeah, it's going in. Just hold the paper. Stay strong, paper. Stay strong.
I'm stuck.
Oh no, we got a whole bottle. Oh, it's going to overflow.
No, it's not.
Oh, look at that. There's
I reckon that whole whisking thing, just mind your eyes.
just shake the bottle.
I know, that's what I was going to say, mind your
Hold
eyes.
it, put your thumb over the thing.
It doesn't fly out the end.
Nice move.
Looking remarkably pretty right now.
Nice shake.
I'm pleased my arms are covered. Go on, girl. Okay, right.
Oh, look at that.
Bit of role play. Just come in from the shops.
Oh, let's have a go.
That's
Oh.
alright. It's alright.
It feels alright.
It feels really.
Actually, it feels really good. It feels really good.
It's bloody worked.
Oh, it's quite slimy. Maybe it's too much aloe vera. Maybe don't do that much aloe vera.
Maybe all the aloe vera's at the bottom. Anyway,
It worked.
we
Smells nice.
we decanted it into a hand soap, and now
That's probably what we've
the
got.
luxury.
Dregs of hand soap. Feels great.
The luxury. Come into our luxury place, and you can have some homemade hand sanitizer. Anyway,
No, that's great.
that's it. It feels really slimy.
I think it might be too much aloe. Oh, beautiful.
I think maybe we had some soap left in the end. Anyway, That's how you make hand sanitizer. So that's it on how to make that. Anything else you want us to try and make, please don't ask me to cook because it's not going to work. Some things I wanted to say. Actually, we wanted to say some things. I know we have been laughing and joking around, but what's really good for your immunity is to laugh and joke because it produces natural immunity. I've got my serious head on. I've got my serious head on now. So it's good to do things that light you up, that make you laugh. Comedy is amazing. I just wanted to say that we will all get through this. Keep focused on the end goal and how amazing it's going to be when we can all socialise again. But hopefully by that point I might have sorted my knicker drawer out. Or you may call it panties in America. My panty drawer. And done my filing. So
exciting times.
Decorated, cleaned my car, learned how to knit. So just keep focused on. I keep being focused on the fact that we're lucky that we've got the internet. Please stay internet. And we've got the safety of our own house, and we are going to be fine. I know that people are worried about money, but I'm sure the people that are laid in hospital right now that are worried, that are very, very ill, would give any amount of money to be healthy right now. So do you know what? Money shmoney. You made it before, you'll make it again. I'm sure there's help in each country. I know in England our government is doing a lot for us, and I believe in America your government is helping you as well. And we're all in it together and we can all help each other. Anything to say? You said something.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Here's
so
what
by
I
the
said
way,
earlier.
I'm virtual Vicky, this is Cockpit Kerry.
Nice.
Oh well, I thought it rhymed, but actually cockpit doesn't start with a K, does it?
Yeah, Cox. Stop it. All I wanted to say was, with the times that we're in now, just what I find helps me is that at the end of each day, just look back on the day and think of something good that happened that day, because there will be something good. And it just makes you, it's nice to look at the positive rather than the negative. So look for good.
So I said to Kerry, what if somebody has woken up in the morning, they haven't gone anywhere, they haven't seen anywhere, sometimes, and I'm a positive person, and I was like, what if they can't find any positive? And you said,
at least they've woken up.
At least they've woken up. So there's always, oh look at that little love you guys. Another thing, and we're going to get off here then, obviously. Tomorrow at 6 o'clock UK time, I'm doing a live hypnosis again. I'm going to change it slightly, but also if we all connect together, we can send love around the world, and you can feel it in your heart. So that'll be really good. And then after the live hypnosis, I want to do an experiment, and I would love you guys to help me with something. I'm going to try and see how many people I can get on a Zoom thing at one time. A Zoom thing is this meeting thing. So I was going to post the log on and see how many of you can come in this room. So basically, what I'll do is after I've done the hypnosis, I will post the log on that you tap on your phone, but you may have to download the Zoom app. That's ZOOM, Zoom app, because it can be a really amazing way where we can all connect. So I just wanted to see how many people I can get in a room at one time, and I really love it if people would try. It would be cool. What else are you going to do? So hope you're all right. Keep positive, keep thinking about the end, the outcome being brilliant, and I think that's my lecture over with. I love you all, and we are one. Is that it?
That's it.
Great. Enjoy your watery, sticky hand sanitizer. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, happy Mother's Day tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's Mother's Day everywhere in the world. It's Mother's Day tomorrow. Go, Mum. We'll send you a letter through the post. Don't touch it. We're not coming near you. We'll leave it on the door. All right. Bye.
Bye.